Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I am April.
And I'm Izabella.
Today we're going to make a tutorial
for kids.
for kids. Okay, so we're gonna first try to make our makeup.
Yep.
This is all the choices we have.
Yeah.
We're gonna start off with what?
The
Oh my
meal.
gosh, just put one in my hand.
We need the meal. We need the meal. We need the meal for it.
Okay, put it right there.
Okay. And you need to.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on for you, Izabella.
Yep. And then let me
Put it on your face.
Okay. And put it on my face.
Put it on your face. Izabella, no.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Okay. Okay. We'll do it.
Okay, if you say so. I don't know about that. I think I might have put a little too much.
A little?
I think that's good, right?
Yeah. That's it. I did it good.
You make amazing.
But I did it good, right?
Yeah. Okay, so now my turn. As we go.
But that's mine.
No, look, I messed up.
But that's mine. Well, you know this or what?
Yeah.
April.
How good do I look right now?
Look at me. Guys, my stone looks different.
Get it. You have to do this.
But you help me out with it. You're almost done.
I don't want to fall off. Make
Okay.
this fall
This-
off.
Okay.
More.
Okay, that's okay. That's enough. That's enough. More? Okay, that's enough, I think.
I saw it. It was kind of quiet. I think that's good. So now you put it in. I think I'm good now. For now. I think a little bit on my chin.
It's done, April.
I think I'm done for now. Whoa. That's a whoa.
Make sure I don't get some blush in my eyes.
Yeah.
I think that's enough. Here, right here. Here's the meat. How do I look at some roll? Good.
What did I do to my nose?
April, here's the meal. April, look at you.
I think she did a better job than me.
Can't believe we're doing makeup.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, much powder came off of that. Okay, let's switch
Okay,
it up.
we need to pick some of these things. Whoa, April, whoa.
What was that? Okay, you want to use that? You have to use. Okay. I guess you know how to do makeup more.
Okay.
Okay, remember right there. Is this one? Is this one? It looks so weird. So we're gonna do my eyebrows to make them a little bit more darker, so they will look more like, yeah, I don't know what I just said. Now they look a little bit more darker. Oh. I said up there, not down there. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's a mess.
Good, I didn't put it in my eye.
Yeah. I think that's. Is there something in my nose? It's just makeup. I'm gonna close that up.
I think I'm done.
Wait, I'm gonna see the other color. So you use this and you put it right here.
Okay. I'm gonna use
Okay. Okay, I think I'm done with this part. Now we're gonna do the tricky part. This is tricky. You could use the lipstick.
Okay, I will need this meal.
My mom's looking so mad.
Okay, first I have to open it up.
Oh my gosh, I didn't touch that. A little bit and now we were a little bit quiet there.
Abril, you did a good job to me.
But you hadn't done this part yet, so we don't know.
But this looks bad.
It's okay.
I want you to wipe it off.
It is lipstick.
You're using another kind of lipstick.
I'm gonna use that one because it's like glossier. I don't know. I'll try it. I think I'll use this one. Never mind. Do that. That's tricky. You might put it in your eye. Yeah.
Mommy, can you help me?
Okay, I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna use this one.
Mommy, I can't do it.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see you.
Mommy, I didn't even mess up. Okay.
Oh, it's pretty nice.
I'm doing slowly because I don't want to get in my eye.
Gosh, make it more fun. Yeah.
I look beautiful now. Yay. I still look beautiful. I'm not going to wipe this off. I'm going to wipe it off later.
I think I'm done.
And me, I'm done.
Okay.
Take it easy.
I think I'm done. Let's just look at the side. Oh my god, a little bit. And I use both of them.
April, we're looking beautiful.
Yeah, especially you. Yeah, because all my clothes are covered up. Wait, I don't think I put that much.
I did. I'm looking good. You need to blend it. I need to just cheek it so it can see like the blush.
I think I won. And I think I put it wrong. Oh, I went. think you put a little bit too much now. Okay, guys, I think that will be our video
for now. And look at me.
And look at me. And look, Izabella did a great job by herself because she's been doing that a lot. And I only did it because I see my mom do it all the time. Makeup and stuff. And that will be our video. Bye.
Mommy,
Is
bye.
it done?
Isabella's all cleaning her makeup.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Subscribe.